Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Facebook with blue check mark. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile on the top right. From here, you need to scroll down from the top and click on help and support. Then you simply need to click on help center, and here you need to search for the request, and here you can see request a blue verification badge. Click on that. Click on the first option. Here you need to scroll down and click on fill out this form. So what are you verifying? So I want to verify my profile. Here you need to add your profile link, confirm authenticity, attach document. You can attach passport, national identification card, tax filing, recent utility bill, article of incorporation. So let's suppose if you want to add passport, and here you need to choose file, and then you simply need to select your category from here, in which category you are. Let's suppose I am digital creator. Here you need to add country, audience, also known as, and here you need to add 5 articles or social media accounts link here, and then you simply need to click on send. Then the Facebook will check and verify with blue tick mark. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.